The Lockheed Martin F-35, a Lightning II first took to the skies. It marked more than just another advancement in aviation technology. It symbolized the dawn of a new era in modern warfare. Designed to be the most versatile and technologically advanced multi-role fighter ever built, the F-35 serves as the cornerstone of the United States Air Force's next-generation air power. Combining stealth, sensor fusion, advanced weaponry, and unparalleled situational awareness. This fifth-generation fighter is not merely an aircraft. It's an integrated combat system built to dominate the air, land, and digital battlefield. While its sleek exterior and stealth capabilities draw attention, the real strength of the F-35 lies beneath the surface. In its software, sensors, and networked intelligence that redefine what it means to achieve air superiority in the 21st century. Design philosophy, blending stealth with strength. The F-35 Lightning II was designed around one guiding principle: multi-role flexibility without compromise. Every angle, contour, and composite layer contributes to its radar-evading stealth signature. Its design emphasizes low observability, ensuring the aircraft can penetrate heavily defended airspaces undetected. Constructed with advanced composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings, the F-35's structure is as resilient as it is stealthy. The single-engine design, powered by the Pratt & Whitney F135 turbofan, delivers remarkable thrust-to-weight performance while maintaining an efficient fuel burn rate. The engine produces up to 43,000 pounds of thrust, propelling the jet to speeds exceeding Mach 1.6. Beyond raw speed, its aerodynamic balance allows for exceptional agility. The F-35's internal weapons bay minimizes drag and preserves its radar cross-section, while external hardpoints offer flexibility for missions where stealth is less critical. The result is a fighter that blends stealth characteristics with the brute force of traditional combat aircraft. Stealth and survivability, remaining invisible in the modern sky. What truly sets the F-35 apart from earlier generations is its holistic approach to survivability. It's not just difficult to detect, it's designed to remain unpredictable. The aircraft's shape, materials, and engine design work in harmony to reduce radar, infrared, and acoustic signatures. Its radar-absorbent materials, RAM, coating further diminishes its visibility to enemy radar systems. Unlike older stealth platforms, the F-35's stealth does not require extensive pre-mission maintenance. Instead, it integrates self-healing materials and modular components for rapid servicing in the field. Its survivability also extends to electronic warfare. The F-35 can jam, deceive, and disrupt enemy sensors using its advanced electronic countermeasure suite. Combined with sensor fusion and real-time data sharing, the aircraft can detect threats long before being detected itself, allowing pilots to choose whether to engage or evade. Advanced avionics and sensor fusion. Inside the cockpit, the F-35 revolutionizes the pilot experience. Traditional instrument panels are replaced by a panoramic touchscreen display and a helmet-mounted display system, HMDS, that projects flight, target, and threat information directly onto the pilot's visor. This allows seamless access to data without looking down, turning the pilot into part of the digital combat network. At the heart of this capability is sensor fusion, a technological advancement that merges data from multiple onboard sensors into one unified picture. The Distributed Aperture System, DS, for example, uses 6 infrared cameras around the aircraft to provide a 360-degree view, enabling the pilot to see through the aircraft in real time. Meanwhile, the Active Electronically Scanned Array, AESA, radar provides detailed tracking of air and ground targets simultaneously. When combined, these systems eliminate information overload. Instead of processing multiple streams of data, the pilot receives a synthesized, prioritized view of the battlefield. This gives the F-35 its most decisive advantage: information dominance, weapons, and combat capability. The F-35 may be stealthy, but it's far from subtle when it comes to firepower. Designed for air-to-air and air-to-ground operations, it can carry a wide array of weapons both internally and externally. In stealth configuration, the jet houses weapons internally to maintain its radar invisibility. Typical loadouts include the AM-120 AMRAAM for air combat and GBU-31 JDM precision bombs for ground targets. When stealth is not required, the F-35A can utilize external hardpoints to carry up to 18,000 pounds of ordnance, including AM-9X Sidewinder missiles, AGM-154 joint standoff weapons, and GBU-53/B small diameter bomb too. Adding to its arsenal is an internally mounted GU-22/25mm cannon, ideal for close-range engagements or ground strafing runs. This versatility allows the F-35A to perform a wide spectrum of missions, from air superiority and close air support to electronic warfare and intelligence gathering, without needing mission-specific variants. Digital connectivity, the networked warrior. Perhaps the most groundbreaking feature of the F-35A isn't its stealth or speed, but its ability to connect. The aircraft functions as a flying node in a massive digital ecosystem that links aircraft, ground forces, and command centers. Through its multi-function Advanced Data Link, MADL, and secure communication systems, the F-35A can share target information, threat data, and mission updates with other allied assets in real time. This interconnectedness allows coordinated strikes, synchronized defenses, and unparalleled situational awareness across multiple domains. In essence, the F-35A is more than a fighter jet. It's a force multiplier. Its data-sharing capabilities turn isolated military assets into a cohesive, responsive combat network that can adapt instantly to changing battlefield conditions. Maintenance and logistics, the smart fighter. One of the persistent challenges in military aviation has been the balance between sophistication and maintainability. Lockheed Martin approached this issue by designing the F-35A to be as intelligent on the ground as it is in the sky. The aircraft's Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALICE, recently upgraded to the Operational Data Integrated Network, ODIN, monitors the aircraft's systems in real time. It predicts component wear, assists in maintenance scheduling, and streamlines parts replacement, ensuring higher readiness rates and reduced downtime. This digital maintenance ecosystem not only simplifies operations for ground crews, but also reduces long-term costs, an essential factor for fleets spread across multiple air bases and allied nations. Global role and allied integration. The F-35's influence extends far beyond U.S. borders. As part of a multinational development program, it serves as the standard for fifth-generation combat aircraft across allied nations, including the United Kingdom, Italy, Australia, Japan, Norway, and the Netherlands. This shared platform enhances interoperability, allowing allied air forces to train, operate, and share mission data seamlessly. The result is a unified global fleet that strengthens collective defense strategies. Moreover, the F-35's adaptability ensures compatibility with various weapon systems, air bases, and mission doctrines worldwide.